Fam, hope you guys are having a great day. As always, I know you are. LOTUS, I got a couple of cool cars back here. I got a turbo Celica right here. I got a first, an FRS, and then I got my 2005 final edition. I just did, let's just review real quick. So I got this car, it came from North Carolina. It's an awesome car. 2005 final edition, leather interior. We did, and it came with stock body. We removed the wing. We put a TRD wing on. It came with the pink later taillights, which I do like. Then we installed a TRD rear valance. And remember, we installed this side skirt. You guys remember that when we did that on the side of the road in, oh my gosh, I can't remember what town that was. In Mobile, Alabama, or something like that, or somewhere in Alabama. We installed that. Then we came around, we got the exhaust, which is the DNA brand, which I actually like. Then we did wheel spacers. We did nice brakes and rotors, and we painted the rotors, brake calipers red, which turned out really good with the nice rotors. This thing's in mint condition. We did black lug nuts. We did brand new GR86 premium wheels, TRD premium wheels. I love them. We put them on. What else did we do? We did the side skirt. Yeah. We got the oh, it's locked. We got the MITSUBISHI.com side markers. We got the ANZO all black headlights. We debadged the nose. Now, what's missing on this car is a front lip, which I have. So we're going to install it today. It's going to be a GReddy front lip for a 2003 and above Toyota Celica. We're going to install it right now. Here's the deal. It only fits on the 2003. The noses on the front of these cars are different. It's funny. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, it looks like a shark. It does look like a shark, like a guppy shark right there, the mouth. And we're going to not make it look like a shark anymore. So let's take the Toyota Celica. Let's put it right here in the driveway. We'll put it up on some jack stands, and then we'll properly install a really nice front lip. And this car is so awesome. I love that it has the TRD brake light. That's when you just turn it on one click, it turns on. That looks so aesthetic. Oh my gosh, this car is so good looking. If you see this driving down the road, you're like, dang, Mitch Dore, that's me. Okay, so as from the thumbnail, there's the front lip. I have the car idling, and I'm gonna turn it off real quick and put it up on jack stand. So let's turn the Celica off real quick. It sure does idle so good though. Oh my gosh. You guys remember this car is from across the entire country. That is so sweet. Let's turn off the car. This is a pretty good kit. So you guys saw from the thumbnail that giant box. And I don't know why it's Washington and I live where it gets dark late at night. I hate it. Anywho, the kit's cool because it comes in Japanese. It comes in Japanese. Also, the ZZT 231 is from England. That's what they called this chassis, this body, which is so cool. That being said, we have the GReddy badge it came with too. Is it GReddy or GReddy? GReddy, GReddy. GReddy is what I've always said. I don't know, whatever. GReddy, GReddy. I'm just gonna say GReddy because it sounds cooler. Here's the lip. It looks perfect. It's gonna be a good fitment. I deleted the fog lights, and for some reason I lifted the jack up higher on this side. No fog lights. I don't like the fog lights. Another thing is I don't have a wheel well on this one. I need to buy one. They're like 25 bucks from. You can get aftermarket ones. I don't even know if you can get the OEM ones anymore. I do have a wheel well on this one. I did pull off the wheels on both sides. You guys can see my very expensive coilovers, which I want to put on my other car, but I don't think I'm going to, but I want to. That being said, we're gonna lift up or put the lip spoiler on now. It should just fit on perfectly. A couple things. I haven't painted it, so we're not gonna put the 3M tape. Cool though, it comes with 3M tape. Look at that. And I'm assuming that the large piece goes across the middle. And then I'm assuming that you would cut, or maybe you have to cut the certain places. You'd cut this right here. Yeah, it is. It's already cut, I think. And you'd put those on the taller upper one so that it does sit flush on the upper side, which is very common. It's really cool. You can actually also purchase 3M tape, but it's really cool that the GReddy one, or GReddy, the GReddy one came from with the lip. So let's go ahead and just push this up here. One other thing that I should say, it does come with hardware, which is 4 screws and 4 washers. I don't know if I'm going to use the washers. I don't really like them. I don't think they're aesthetic, so I'll probably leave those off. And then a lot of times it's a good idea to get non-corroding ones because they do corrode, especially being down there. This one doesn't have any on it, but some of them do. Like these ones are non-corrosive right here. This is non right here, what I put on here. And those are probably the better ones. But yeah, that being said, let's go ahead, and all we gotta really do is just slide it on. It should be a good fitment, and then we'll put, we'll drill, and they're self-tapping drills, so you don't need a drill hole. You just drill the screws in, just screw the screws in. Gosh, it looks so good. This is one of those lips that just wants to fit on. The fitment is so good, and it's polyurethane. What does that mean? It means that polyurethane, if you, God forbid, but if you did bump into a stopper, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Holy crap, does that look more aggressive? Oh my gosh, if that was in red, I think that might look better than the Tsunami. Uh-oh, is that true? Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to keep that car. Here's the Tsunami. Oh, if it was painted. Oh no, it's looking so good, I wanna keep it. I love this car. Oh no, oh my gosh, that looks amazing. That is a setup. So if you have a stock like 2000 bumper, go to Toyota or buy an aftermarket 2003 bumper. They're gonna be like 300 bucks, $200. This lip is like 350-ish, maybe 400, 350-ish. So for $500 in a paint job, if you can get a paint job done yourself or do it for a good job, you're gonna have just as good as an OEM TRD, if not more aggressive, front end on the Toyota Celica. I've never owned this setup yet. I have the C1. GReddy is way better. Oh, that is so good with the TRD kit. I can't wait to put it on the ground. Okay, what we're gonna do now is put those hardware in here, and they seem kind of short too, but it's pretty thick. We'll do it. I think it'll be good enough. So let's just tap those in real quick. That is insane. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's perfect for the TRD. It is absolutely perfect. It is better lip length than the TRD front end. The side skirt with that, there is no better. Why? Because the OEM TRD lip, look at my old videos, I have one, it's too high. It like, the front bumper sits literally like right here. And so when the car's on the ground, it's missing all of this body compared to where the side skirt is. The side skirt sits lower. That is so aesthetic. Holy crap. I just need this to get it painted then. Oh my gosh. Wow, that thing just went from guppy fish to angry shark. Well, I guess it was kind of a shark already. I love it. So I'm gonna put the wheels back on. I did want to show you guys, it comes pre-drilled. There was already 2 holes here. It came pre-drilled right here for you guys, and I just put it in and it goes through the bumper. Very normal, very common, will hold forever. The only thing I didn't do is put, you'd put 3M tape here, but it's such a perfect fitment, it doesn't even need it, to be honest. I want to do it. I literally want to do it. It doesn't need it. It truly doesn't need it. It's good. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's a really tight, good fit. Probably one of the best fitting pieces I've ever had, actually. They did such a good job with this. The mold is 10 out of 10. It's as OEM. It's actually even a little bit thicker than the OEM. This stuff is OEM. This is an authentic TRD skirt, and it's pretty thin right here. This is a little bit thicker. It's really thicker. Oh man, what a good piece. I'm really happy, if you guys can't tell. 10 out of 10. Let's put some wheels back on and lower the car. No joke, that looks amazing. I think I'm gonna probably need to get a little bit of light on it. It's a little dark out, but insane. It looks so good. Let's turn the lights off so we can get, sometimes the camera doesn't focus on it because of the light. So we'll turn the running lights off. Wow, that is sick. That is so aggressive. Yep, I love it. 10 out of 10. Wow. That is so good. It's so good. You know, it's a weekday, so I had to do some work, but I wish I did this during a summer day. or well, I guess it's falling out. The reason I'm saying is because I want you guys to see it in the full light. But dang, that looks so good. Yes, if it was painted. I might do a two-tone too. I might do the middle lower part black. Example is that when I did my Tsunami, I actually had this painted black. See that? It's custom instead of all red. It makes it look a little bit more aggressive. I think I would probably do the same. The FRS is all red. Sometimes it kind of looks, it looks good, but kind of looks guppy-ish. I don't know, it just depends on what aesthetic you're looking for. That is amazing. You know, a good example too is the Evo. The Evo has that big snout in the front of it, the big nose, or I don't know what you call it, the grill. But wow, I am so happy with that outcome. That looks so good. I think I'm gonna turn the car around real quick so we can see it with some light on. Oh man, that looks so aggressive. That is so good. Wow. So yeah, got dark, but 10 out of 10. This is the bumper that you should have. If you, because everyone wants to get the original TRD, and the original TRD, I had a car accident with one, and it got replaced by a body shop. The part order from Toyota, I saw the price. It was $1,295. So $1,300 for the OEM front bumper. That is so much, and I don't think it included the grille. It may or may not, I don't remember. Versus you could get, if you have the 2003, you could just throw this lip on here and paint it, and that could be, I mean, the lip plus paint could maybe be like 400 bucks, 400, 500. And you have an amazing aesthetic front end. So all 2003 Celicas should have this lip. There's no reason you shouldn't have this lip. If you're a subscriber of mine, go get this lip. GReddy or GReddy, whatever you want to call it. But dang, that is so aesthetic. It is 10 out of 10. Really happy with the outcome. The only issue is that I wish I would have done this the day I bought the car. I always do this. The same thing with the Lotus here. I should have done it immediately. The day I bought the car, I should have done it. Like the GRP tail lights, I should have done it the day I bought the car. It's just one of those things that like, you should have done it the day you bought the car. I probably should have done this black the day I bought the car. I need to do that. But or like look at these rotors that we just did here. Should have done that the day I bought the car. So this is one that you can do. This is an absolute 1-star difficulty. Anyone could do this. Literally anyone could do this. All you have to do is lift the car up, and you don't even have to take the wheels off. Technically, you can just turn the wheels. I'm just a neat freak, that's why I do it. But honestly, this is super easy and an amazing outcome. Go buy this lip. If you have a Toyota Celica, go buy this lip. That looks so good. All right, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this Celica, because I sure did. Wait, what does that mean? We'll see what that means. But I really love this Celica. It's been really good to me. It's a great car. It's super aesthetic. Has my touch all over it. I love it. Makes me very happy. What a beautiful car. The next thing I would do is probably throw some tint on the side like my other one, and I would throw a MWR supercharger for about $3,500. That's probably what I would do with it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful car. Beautiful spec. I love it. Really did a good job with that front lip and those side markers for my website. Headlights, Anzos, A-N-Z-O. Just a beautiful front end. What a great car. So I hope you guys enjoy all this Celica content. I know I do. I got a lot of cool cars. I've had a lot of Evos on this channel. FRS. I really like the FRS. I don't care what anyone says. I like the FRS. It makes me happy. You should try an FRS. The Turbo Celica, freaking 12 out of 10. It's so good. Someone said on my other video, someone said, Mitch, more Tundra. I was like, all right, yeah. I would like to build a Tacoma, honestly, like a 2006 TRD Tacoma, soup one of those bad boys up, make it all nice, or take a non-TRD one, make it like all TRD'd. Of course, the Exige, it needs a supercharger, but I got a lot of cool cars. Black and red's my thing. I love black and red cars. I love red cars. They make me so happy. A couple things that I do want to see on the channel in the future. GTR, definitely need to see that. Lamborghini Gallardo, need to see that. I want to see a Spider. That's what I'd like to own one day. I'd like to own an E90 M3. I would like to see that on the channel. But lots of cool cars. I love cars. I'm a huge, just absolutely drunk on car enthusiast. I love them. My Exige is my favorite car right now that I have, besides the turbo. The turbo Celica is faster than this car. That's crazy, but it's a true statement. It would smoke it. Make sure to like, subscribe, swingbymitchray.com. I'll be right back with some more good content. See you guys soon.